Hey everybody, Scott Burnett here. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. Hope you're doing well today. Hope you're having a good day. Alright, we're going to go for an iPad Pro video this week, or today. WWDC, which is the Worldwide Developer Conference, happened this week, and Apple showed off a whole bunch of their stuff. In that was the new macOS Sonoma, iOS 17, iPadOS 17, Watch 10, WatchOS 10, tvOS. I mean, everything has an OS now. Everything got a piece of software. So the Worldwide Developer Conference is for software developers on the Mac ecosystem. What I want to do today, I like playing around with the beta softwares from Apple and Microsoft too, but this is Apple. So I'm going to install the iPadOS 17 developer beta on here. They've got it now to where you don't have to have a developer account, the $99 developer account. Let's drop down to my screen here. We'll go ahead and get started. It's very easy. Now, disclaimer, if you are not comfortable working through bugs and being able to revert back or downgrade your system, if you're not comfortable with that, or if this is your only device that you use, I don't recommend this, and nobody else does either. Now, if you love to tinker, if you love to play around, if you love to change operating systems and you're comfortable and fluent in it, like I can do it. I actually downgraded this one back to 16.5 yesterday after I installed the developer beta just to see if I could do it. It worked. So let's drop down to our screen here and we will get started. Got to have 16.5. I'm going to list the devices that will run iPadOS 17. I'm going to put them right here. Okay, the devices that will support iPadOS 17. You have iPad mini 5th generation and later, the normal iPad 6th generation and later, iPad Air 3rd generation and later, and iPad Pro, all models except first gen 12.9. Now I have a first gen 9.7 iPad Pro from 2015. I'm not sure if it'll run it yet. I'm going to try it and see. But here's the list right here. Let's go on down to our iPad here. What we're going to do, we're going to go to Settings. And then we're going to go over to Software Update. And on my automatic updates, I have download only because I want to see it. But on my beta updates, I have the iPadOS 17 developer beta. And you can do all these, but I'm going to do the 17 beta. It is 5.99 gigabytes. It's pretty good size. And it's funny, it says this beta version contains bug fixes and improvements. Okay, so the beta of iPadOS should only be deployed on devices dedicated for beta software development. So I'm going to give the developers my feedback. If I have a bug, I'm going to let it send it, the whole bit. So I'm going to go ahead and hit download and install. I'm going to put my passcode in. You're going to hit agree and agree. You always have to do everything twice. And it says update requested. So I'm going to sit here and wait on it. And we'll be right back. And it says 7 minutes remaining, but software 7 minutes and real life 7 minutes. Not so much. Okay, that actually took 7-8 minutes. So it's preparing now. So we'll have to see how long it takes to prepare the update. We will sit here. The little progress bar is going right on across. So we'll speed you right through this. Okay, so it finished up. That took 13-14 minutes, I guess. So I hit the button later so it wouldn't kick off till so I could get recording. So I'm going to hit agree to the PLA, which is the Program License Agreement. Hit that, and now we're going to see the install now down here at the bottom. We're going to hit that. So this whole thing has took 25 minutes so far, and this will take quite a bit more. So as you can see, my iPad screen went off. Now it will restart twice. So you'll see the Apple logo come up, and the little progress bar will come across. So we'll time that. It is now 11 o'clock. I'll come back when we're done. We'll tell you how long this takes. Now if you have an M1 or M2 iPad Pro, it's going to be faster, but it's not too bad. So I'll be right back. Okay, that just took just a few minutes. Well, it took 5 minutes. So we're at 30 minutes or so. So as you can see, I'm at the hello screen or the child screen. So I'm going to swipe up, put in my passcode. Okay, software update complete. Your iPad has been updated to 17.0. We're going to agree to the terms and conditions. And this is pretty much what you'd normally see. It's going to take just a little bit to get to the desktop. Apple Pay, I don't use Apple Pay on my iPad, so hit later. We'll do this later. Continue. Now we're going to let the iPad send diagnostic data back home for problem solving. App analytics, I'm going to share with developers because I want them to know if there's good or bad. And there we have it. We're back at my desktop again. Looks normal. You might see a little lag, but I am recording in OBS. But as far as the iPad goes here, very smooth. Control center. Not much changes there. There is some stage manager changes that we'll go through on the next video. So one of my next videos is going to be the 5 things I like about it, because there are some things that I really like about iPadOS. We're going to go to the About, and we are at 17.0. Show you the build on that. 21A 5248V. Today is June 10th, 2023. So that works. And y'all can see my hardware specs. Got 214 gigs free on this 256 gig iPad. Software update. We're up to date. But everything seems good. Now, one thing about it, it does have the Health app now. The Health app needs to be on the bigger screen. I use it. Been on a diet for 4 months now. Lost 30 pounds. Feeling better. The whole bit. But yeah, there's my smart home. Battery life was better on the developer beta too. So we'll have to see the App Store. See what it looks like. That looks normal. So yeah, there is the iPadOS 17 Developer Beta 1. Looks good. I will report back on how it is. I'm going to torture test it this week. And we'll do the 5 best things about it that I like, because I already have those in mind. One of the things I like, you can actually plug an external camera, a USB camera in, whether it be a DSLR or a webcam, inside of it, and use it in FaceTime now. And I hope that spreads out to more applications besides FaceTime. There you have it. If you got any comments, got any questions, let me know. I answer every one of them. So far, it's been pretty painless doing this kind of stuff. And if something does crap out on me, I'll just go back to 16.5. I know how to do it. And I may do a video on how to do that. It's very simple. There you go. Hope y'all get something out of this video. If you like it, give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button. Hit that bell to be notified. And if you're over on Rumble, rumble.com, look me up. This video will be over there. If you don't like YouTube, you can go over there and find that. And that's about it for the day. But I hope everybody's having a good day and a good weekend. And like I always say, until the next video, thanks for watching.